Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix all icons are same in Windows 7 desktop. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Click and expand File Exts, click and expand .lnk. Click and expand Open with List, delete A and MRU list strings. Delete user choice key. Right CLCK taskbar, click Start Task Manager. End Process Explorer. Restart Explorer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.